Breaking news. Oh, Sibanjo don't wear the new waiting the recorder police thing. The tag I be waiting. I beg, I know be police person. They don't wear, and this one we talk about the IGP position. According to Matari HB, President Buhari himself don't appoint Usman Alkali Baba as their new IGP. And this one they happen as a day obodo Ibo. Our president they control things even right from London, no be small matter. And this one don't become our new acting inspector general of police. According to the Minister of Police Affairs, he don't tell us, he can't make the announcement himself. He said the issues of professionalism, competence, and years of service, they consider them before they put this man into this seat. Meaning, say the man is super good. My people, I'm not sure so I hear the name. The new IGP now, Usman Alkali Baba. Usman, what do you mean? Okay. Last, my people. As soon as the year and now, Hausa people. Now then they occupy all the IGP positions. Anytime when they remove IGP, Hausa person don't they stand by the wait. They don't turn this IGP thing now to family business. Another headsman now don't enter power. Now like that. Now this thing they bring us back now to 2023 election voting. Every day I go they talk am. Any day we get chance so that some of una will not get scapegoat mentality una go they renew am. Because I know say some people, no matter how you talk to them, today they go say where, tomorrow they go down, they follow a 1,000 naira note. It's not by shouting, no. No be by shouting, no. Some of them don't they shout. Enough is enough. This is not enough to shout. Enough is enough. Come outside and vote. So that we go remove all this aboki from this position. You they see them now with your eyes. Say this thing, they become, in fact, you don't turn routine. Everybody now, IGP. Hausa person, IGP, Hausa person, IGP. How many IGP they don't change since? You see Yoruba person for there. No, they carry Igbo put for there. I just they ask. So now I go open. Now the game is becoming serious. We need to step up our game. And they show say now the promise where Buhari make these people before he enter power. When I become this thing, I'll be putting all of you. He's fulfilling it. You know they see her. He go make sure say all the family members enter this thing. Buhari, he go make sure say only family member test this money. This one now go consider. Bam. No person tell me say, Madam Aproko, don't be negative. This one might be good. Okay, oh, let him be good. Oh, I just they pray, make it good because nothing good has ever come out from all this nonsense. Nothing. No, make sure the good thing. Make sure the good thing now. Where you not say since we Buhari enter power, something has happened. May we hope, may we pray, say this one will do better. I don't talk anything, no. I just they join on a faith, you understand? But me already, nothing where you want tell me. I know they see anything will go happen here. Tomorrow now, President Buhari will come outside. We are one. Nigeria is one. One Nigeria like this. One Nigeria like this. Not only one Nigerian, not two Nigerians. You know they see the level where this man they take us. He go talk one Nigeria, some of us still go still believe. This one no be one Nigeria. All that they see here now one Fulani. Now one Fulani, I know they see one Nigeria. The kind country where one particular tribe now go they rule us. You know if we give other people chances. It go soon end, sha. No be 2023. We dey wait. My people, I say I go bring and call on our side. For now, we know there where say we get new IGP. Biko, and I don't hear I make a call in name again. Usman Alkali Baba. Na his name be that. So Biko, If una wan welcome am, start dey welcome am there. If una wan tell me anything wey una know say fit happen or I never talk about, still drop am there. Why not? If not, I need una comment. So drop am there, and as usual, I go reply una one by one. Make sure say you share this video. Make everybody know wetin dey happen now. Very, very important. And subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go dey miss important matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story. Buhari and doctors are on strike. My people, this one are the new developed matter wey happen since wey Buhari travel all in the name of medical checkup. Yes, for all of una wey dey aware for this matter, don bring una update. And as e be now, doctors don embark on an indefinite strike due to the poor condition of service and many other unfulfilled promises wey government don promise us. Anyhow, shall not be today. Don't think wey these people dey promise us many things and they don't fail. My people, National Association of Resident Doctors now they don't tire. They say how Buhari go fit leave Nigeria, say they go that place. They don't take this matter very serious, and now everybody dey on strike. And they wonder wetin go fit happen now. But not be that one sef be my problem. Wetin carry me come here today now because wetin be the Minister of Labour and Employment, Mr. Chris, he don't come outside now. Come give us in your wahala. And according to Ram, into say resident doctors say normally they pay before they enter residence program. Now what you talk? But for Nigeria, now then they pay them before they go enter. Say you never see that one. Say for UK and for US, the case they different. But people are begging, I don't want to waste on that time again because already I don't vex. So because join me, make we listen to this man we no get wisdom. Join me, make we watch the video.
The people who are talking about those who are going for greener pastures. How many medical doctors in residency training in America ask government to pay them residency training fund? How many? In the United States, you pay to enter the residency program. In the UK, the same. You are paying. Here, we pay them in training, salaries and allowances, and also give them money for examination, for books, for transport, to exams. Please, Sheikh, don't draw me into that area, please.
Lies from the pit of hell. I'm not just wait. As soon as they watch this one now, how na feel? Because me to vomit, even they hungry me. I won't throw up. The first say minister, they call person minister. See what they come up for your mouth. Una no go gather on a facts before you come outside public on the talk. I beg a point of correction. You know they pay to enter a residency training program. I beg. For US, you know, I'm not just understand. What be these people problem? What be a problem? You pass exam and the interview. That is all. Which one can be you pay before you enter? You this one, you this one. See una minister. Oh wow, Nigeria, Nigeria. No, my people, see, we need prayers. We need prayers. Oh, this one not be the one that they talk say Nigeria na cruise because we have passed cruise level. Now we need prayers. This is spiritual. Which kind of demon enter all our politicians? Hey, Chineke, you know see how they go? They bring different lies just to protect their nonsense behavior. Different lies. See who they talk of money. You pay. If person hear you now, they go think say na one better money. You pay them. You work since you they compare, since you they bring UK and US matter compare to Nigeria. How much una they pay una doctors? How much Nigerian? No, how much they pay Nigerian doctors? Since this one won't come outside, when they talk many things, you pay. You get money. Can you work for money? I been on the money where they thief up and down. Which money? I even talked to one lady like that because she says she be a health practitioner. No, because una not say I tell una every time. I like they gather my facts. I talk to this lady. Now so the lady they tell me say ordinary internship space say they pay Nigeria. Internship space they say they pay for am. Not to talk of a residency. Now this man they come outside say, Chineke, God. Except if nobody want talk. But if everybody supposed to start the open mouth, now people see, make I tell you something. We get reasons why we don't suppose to this country again. Only to think of our politicians, you not even want to stay for this country. I don't just understand. Every day, these people they bring different matter. Nigeria is in soup. Nigeria is in soup. For all of una we sit down and relax. Una think say things are getting better. My people, it is our prayer for things to get better, but things are not getting better. Let us call a spade a spade. And since these people now, they want bring a UK lifestyle, no problem. No be to pay. They will pay for the residency. But make sure see the same salary where they pay UK doctors. You go pay Nigerian doctors. Since you won't bring them down, oh yeah, may we balance everything once and for all. I beg all the doctors in the house. If you don't say they watch me, you be doctor or you will be nurse. Anything will concern injection, needle and this thing hair. Because make una come defend una self. I no study medicine, na business I study. So I beg, make una come defend una self because I don't tire for these people and their mumu lies. They can't talk to us like saying we be. I no get strength for these people. I beg if you be doctor, come outside now. We need know whether waiting this man talk na true. Because me, I don't talk the one way I know. Any other thing pass this one, I don't know. So make una come help me, come support this motion. I become against this motion because I dey very sure. See, in fact, I feel even beat my chest 1000%. Say this man I lie. All of them I lie for their mouth. My people, now the matter be this. Even people wait there from outside. They don't call me say Madam Aproko, na lie. Say for this place, don't be like that. Hey God, who do this thing to? When people say na the matter be this, so I no feel vex again. I don't tire. Anything you guys talk now concerning this man and the raw way they run, top up, drop off for that comment section. And if you get doctors as friends, share this video because see, we need confirmation. We need to be sure that these are politicians, they play with our head. Very, very important. And make sure you subscribe, share this video, and drop your comments. And as usual, I go reply now one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.